In this final video, I'll be explaining how to create a Payoneer account and how to create an Amazon account, and then how to get a domiciled US account. Now you hover onto your browser. I typed Payoneer sign in, then click on the first link. Now you'll be brought to this interface where you now click on sign up. Now you'll be brought to also this interface where it says let's find the right account for your needs. Now you see from here they say I am. You click individual. I'm looking to get paid by international client or marketplace. Then you click on register. Now if you brought to this interface also where you will need to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and you will need to re-enter your email address and also your date of birth. So let me do them sharply. Then I click on next. Now fill those information. Now I've been brought to this interface. Now if you are not in Nigeria, all you just need to do is click on this drop down and then pick your country. If you're Morocco, Netherlands, Zealand, Niger, Republic, and so on. Then here you need to fill your street and your number, your house number, and then you can put on more information about your address, but it is optional. And then your time, and then your postal, and then your phone number. So I need to fill on this information as fast as possible, and then we'll move to the security details. And then after the security details, we'll now move to almost done. We'll see you on the next phase. So all you just need to follow these tutorials and fill in your details, and when you click on next, we'll be on the same page. Now you can see that I filled in the contact details. On these security details, all you just need to do is to enter your password. You'll need to re-enter your password. And then you'll be redirected to pick a security question. Then you will need to put either your national ID or your driver license or your international passport. So I'm going to be using my national ID, and then we'll move on to the next page. Now I've filled in those information, and this is the last page. Your bank country, and then you will need to put in your account number, and then put in your bank name. You put in your account number, and then you need to agree. Now after I click submit, you see they said congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card? Then all you just need to do is know that you will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. All you just need to do now is for us to create an Amazon account. So all you just need to do is hover onto here and then click on kdp.amazon.com. Now you can see from here Payoneer sent me an account message here that I should verify my email address, which I have done. And then let's proceed to Amazon. Click on kdp.amazon.com, and all you just need to do is click on register. Okay, click on sign up. And now come down to create your KDP account. before you fill the details, all you just need to do is create your KDP. Now a verification code was sent to my email. You can actually see it here, so I have to copy it and then create my Amazon account. So you will be redirected to this agreement page where you will need to read through, and then to actually see the terms of agreement. Then I just click on agree. Now I've been brought to the interface of my account. Now if you want to upload a book, just come to Kindle eBook. If it is paperback, come to paperback, and if it is hard copy, which is a new feature, you can get a free ISBN number to publish your book on Kindle Create and so many other. Now you need to click on update your account. Now if you want to upload your Kindle Create ebook, just click on Kindle eBook. Now there are always 3 steps to how you can upload your ebook. The first step is Kindle Create ebooks details, then the Kindle Create ebook content, and then the Kindle ebook pricing. You enter the book title. Here is a subtitle. If you have a subtitle to your ebook, if it is a series, you add series details, edition number, which is optional, the author name, and those who contributed to your book. You can write their names here, and then you can write a description here. You can write, I owe this book. You can put on keywords. Keywords that are related to your book, that's what you should put here. You can choose on categories. I said this is not non-fiction, this is an educational book. You can choose on many categories if you want. You can move on, save and continue. And if there's any error, they will let you know to fix the highlighted errors. to the next one. And that is just how to upload. You can come to Bookshelf and then see your ebooks and every book you have uploaded. That's just how to create a Pioneer account and how to create an Amazon account. Thank you.